Right, as you know, I've just now got to cut some bits to fit up in there, right at the top there, and we've already ripped it down. I've just got to cut them into the sections, and all I'm going to do is go along, measure them, and then cut them, and hopefully they fit. Let's go and make something. Just gonna get fit in and to do that. Hi. So go 55 there and 50 there, which so a little bit of an update. As you can see, I've now put these extra bits up in here. Had to cut each one individually. As you can see, there's the different sizes between the beam, between the rafters. And I've bogged. I know there's one I've missed. I've bogged and put primer over it, all ready for a light sand. Think about putting some paint over. I'm in the process at the moment of just sanding back the bog, but I don't like sanding, not even on a good day. So we've missed one or two nail holes to fill in. There's actually a few of them and I actually look about. And I'm in the process of just sanding them down now, so that won't take too long because I'm just using the electric sander. So I'll fill these in. Let's put a little bit on the corner like so. Squish into the hole. And again, need more. I don't like sanding. Huh, I just noticed this board here isn't nailed in. Better go and fix that. it again. So we bought a test pot, and I was actually able to do that whole wall for, that's just one coat, first coat, and we kind of like the colour. It's not too dark, kind of growing on us, and it's done all up. I've done all up in here. Well, one single coat, very quick coat, because I was running out. If we come down the ladder, you can actually see the colour. It's kind of growing on us, and we'll do all the trims and flashings and windowsills white. I think that's the colour we're going to go with. It's just a test pot. That's not bad considering the test pot was only like, yeah, tall. That's one whole coat. That much of the wall. So I'd like to take this time to say thank you to Monica Jolene Thompson for her $10 pledge on Patreon. Patreon's not something I really like talking about, but if you would like to make a donation through Patreon, I do actually have a Patreon account, and I'll have the link in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.